It's not the same. Ma'am Divina, maayong gabi. No, it's never the same if you don't feel it too. Ma'am D, I miss you. If you meet me halfway, yeah. If you meet me half, magpa-punishment PK kami ngayon ni Kuya Joshua. Punishment to.
Okay, game, sige.
Let's go everybody! Kaya galingan natin. If you just realize what I just realized, and we'd be perfect for each other. We'll never find another. Just realize what I just realized. We never have to wonder. Laban! Everyone double tap the screen. Come on, magpapatalo ba tayo? Gagalingan natin yan. Ma'am Divina, welcome po! Maayong gabi, Ma'am Di. I miss you so much. I miss you. And now... Ayan, let's go everybody! Good evening, Kuya
Good
Josh!
evening din sa'yo.
Lakas
Let's
mo
go,
naman,
guys.
dinudurog mo
Times
naman ako ngayon. Punishment pa naman to, everybody.
Okay,
Punishment.
daw tayo Subukan natin. Sige. Ano bang mga punishment na usual na ginagawa mo dito? Para
Pag-isipan natin right after nitong 3 minutes.
Sige.
Oo.
Ano bang gusto
Laban.
niyong punishment, guys? Sige nga, mag-suggest nga kayo ng mga punishment dito.
Laban, everyone, oh. Alam, pinagkakandaan na. Ipanalo nga natin para siya ang i-punish natin. Guys, 1.6k
Guys,
viewers. Let's go, everyone.
One more rose.
Siya ang kailangan na i-punish natin. Let's go, everybody. Times 3, Times 3 starting soon. Laban!
Rose, guys. Let's go.
Once again,
Times
star
3,
gifts are
tayo.
times 3. Thank you so much.
Wala pa tayong isang rose. Isang rose pa, guys. Sayang.
Guys, i-punishment na yan.
Thank you, Ozo. Hey, let's go. Di tayo papaya,
I-punishment
guys.
na yan.
Ilang linggo na tayong talo kay Ricey, kaya dapat
Times
naman tayo bumawi.
3! Times 3, everybody! Thank you so much, Roblox. I like you too, thank you. Ang lakas talaga.
Let's go.
Tabangi!
Makabawi-bawi lang.
Tabangi
Thank you,
po.
Christine.